We are pleased to show you the 2007 INFINITI FX35. The FX stands out with bold styling, an eager powertrain, and responsive handling. The 3.5-liter V6 provides plenty of power and 18 miles per gallon overall. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sunroof, electronic stability control, power mirrors, traction control, remote keyless entry, auto headlight on/off, power sunroof, rear window defroster, rear window wiper, backup camera. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.